Alright, so there was a sale on Amazon that I came across for this cheap knockoff rear rack for the Ducati Desert Sled, and it was for 18 bucks on Amazon Prime. So I bit the bullet, said even if it's the crappiest piece of crap from China in the whole world, I'll throw 18 bucks at it and see how it goes. So we're gonna install it, put it on. So that's a 4mm for these guys here, and a lot of the other ones as well. So basically, I'm gonna have to figure out some way to spread this. All right, so because this is for an older model Scrambler, Ducati, I think after 2018, so 2019 onward, they changed the subframe holes and the angles. Why? No idea. And the holes just are ever so slightly wider on the newer models. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically bolt this up to the one side and have it be supported on the frame, and then I'm going to grab the other side and I'm going to yank on it, and I'm going to see if I can get it to do it just with my own personal strength. We're going to see. Put your tools away after you're done using them so you don't have to go digging and looking for them every time. All right, now the moment of truth. Oh my goodness, this worked. Well, I had to put my foot on the bike. That seriously worked. That worked. Alright, well, maybe have somebody help? So basically, I put that one and that one on, and kind of snugged them in so that they weren't gonna shift around too much. Not all the way tight, but not so much that they couldn't flex. Then I put this in. I tried to put this one in first, but then I couldn't pull this one out. So then I took this out and I pulled this back, put my foot up on the frame here, pushed with my foot, hold on the bars here. Pull this out until I can have one hand slip this in and get it threaded. Now I'm just gonna tighten it down. Got all these tools out ready to drill holes in the metal, but it does not appear to be necessary.